Welcome to the
Okay.
Kubescape community meeting. Today is November the 26th, 2024. Ben, you're starting.
Okay. So a short debrief about KubeCon. We had a great time in Salt Lake City 2 weeks ago, last week, 2 weeks ago. I was there from the maintainers. Oshrat was there. We were mentioned in the keynote, which was a pleasant surprise. We had a great meeting with Emily from the TOC regarding the progress in incubation, and as far as the things are going, things are looking good from our side. We will talk today about the to-dos we need to still to do towards the incubation, but as per Emily, these are not like nothing serious we have to do. It's more like sorting out a few smaller things and organizing a few others to be in place before she's submitting us for incubation to the TOC, and will open up hopefully in January for public for commenting the process. So we are the maintainers and Oshrat, we put ourselves a goal to finish by end of December all the action items Emily left for us, so we can loop back to her and give her also time and space to prepare all. And we are eyeing together with her incubation by next KubeCon in London. Also in KubeCon, we held with the project kiosk in the project's space, which I think one of the most successful ones we ever held. We had really a very nice traffic in the project kiosk. A lot of people came up to us, both friends who knew us from before, but a lot of people who didn't, or users. We also had a pleasant surprise with the the headlamp plugin. We had a chance to talk with the headlamp people and look on the plugin, which is really I feel the first UI for Kubescape beyond Armo. I think we had a few talks that mentioned us, but I gave a talk in the BPF day, which wasn't really about Kubescape. It was just like around all the seccomp capabilities of Kubescape. It was a BPF talk regarding to that, and all talked about comparing the runtime detection strategies in cloud native rejects, which was also mentioning Kubescape, but it was again our talks. So actually, this is more or less what we had in KubeCon.
Cool. Thank you very much, Ben. Oshrat, your turn.
So Ben forgot my panel, but we had a panel
Oh.
about eBPF,
I
security use
feel
cases.
bad. Sorry.
No, it's fine. As long as you were there physically. And it was a very, very good panel, a nice group of women talking tech and how to use eBPF, and also the pros and the cons. So, it's not all butterflies and rainbows and unicorns. Ben mentioned that we spoke with Emily at KubeCon, and we put together a board, which Matthias linked here, but I am going to share my screen just to
okay, let's go.
Just to show you you can share the board. That's cool. That's also good.
No, as you prefer. No.
You prefer I do it? Okay.
That I was I was there.
It's proof that I was cold.
Yeah.
Are you able to share, or I have to make you
Yes, I can share it.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. No, this is not. Oh yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes.
My board, right?
Yes.
Okay, so basically, it's governance work mostly. Kubescape, which is a good thing. It means Kubescape as as a piece of code, as a security tool, is in a good place. It's stable. It's working well. It brings value to people, and what we need to do is put the governance around it. As you can see, we have about 10 to-dos. Well, we had 16. And as Ben mentioned, we aim to finish them by the new year, hopefully before then, and submit
Mid-December.
Mid-December, sorry. Yeah, mid-December, before Christmas. Okay. So that we can do another round of pre-checks and then submit it to the TOC. And fingers crossed, Kubescape community, we will be opening a champagne bottle at the kiosk in KubeCon London and drinking to our incubation. Yeah, that's it.
Cool. Okay. Next item is for Ben and myself. So yeah. So one of the tasks is updating the roadmap. So we have a working document here that we need to review and make sure everything is good before we publish it. Probably as a README, right, Ben?
Yeah. So at this stage, we are going to publish it as a README in the project governance. So to have a high-level overview of what we are planning to do. And we're also creating a board, a planning board with tickets, which will be a little bit more, more live and more detailed than this README.
Mm-hmm. Cool. So hopefully in 2 weeks we can like present it.
Yeah. Nice.
Great. Okay. And now the usual triage. So I have good news. I have a working script now that allows me to put the issues and the PRs in the triage board. So now we have some work to do. So those project governance ones, they are duplicated right in the other board. I don't know how I can hide them. I don't want to delete them. Oh, if I delete, they will be removed from the other board. Do you know?
I think it only deletes from this project, which is the KS bug tracking.
But yeah, but we
Okay.
have to check it.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I will leave them like here for the moment. See, we have some Cube client. Really?
Maybe you can filter out those who are part of the project governance repo.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
when
yeah, 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 yeah. I will remove them later. Okay. At least it proves that the script worked because he was able to find them.
Yeah.
So okay, a profiler. Is it actually? Yeah, it's a Kubescape project. Yes. So that's a feature. Same. Okay.
As a
Nice.
governance thought, maybe we should not call this board Kubescape bug tracking if it has new features on it, new feature requests.
Yeah,
Maybe
but the
better
thing
name.
is, yeah, because this one is really the bug tracking normally because the feature column I hide it. So I mean, we should have like another board maybe for the feature. I don't know.
Okay.
We have to discuss on what's the best way of doing it.
Okay. We need to because we're going to be documenting it.
Yeah. So this one, actually, no, it's more like, yeah, accepted. Oh, Ben, you see, it's assigned to you. Don't even know what the Kubescape network scanner is.
So this is something, no, we can close this issue, is irrelevant. Kubescape Network Scanner is is used right now in the Kubescape microservice to decide which ports are open and detect
Yes.
what
Okay.
kind of
Yeah.
protocol sits behind them.
Okay. I see. Same. So I mean, we could even archive it, this one, no?
Yeah. The project, you mean?
The project, yeah, the Kubescape
No,
network
the
scanner
project,
project.
I think it's in use. If you go to the code, we are using it as a package. So we are
Oh. Oh yeah.
yeah.
No, this is what you added.
But in general, there were like changes, and we are using it.
Oh yeah, in the operator.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are actively using this project.
Mm,
We might want to move this package though to another repository.
yeah. Yeah, why not? Would make sense.
Because it's just not it just not doesn't really worth to keep this in the maybe what repository is the most fitting for this?
I don't know. Since we use it in the operator, only in the operator, we can just like move it there. I don't know.
Either yeah, I would either move it to the Kubescape since it's part of the scanner, or in the operator.
Okay. So, and then we will move the existing
Yeah,
tasks.
but in general, these things have been implemented, I guess. So this feature is like working. I think we should close these issues, for either they are still unworthy to implement, or they've been implemented. So I wouldn't rely on these tickets at all. They're just like
Okay.
creating noise at this stage.
Do we still have a Kubescape survey? Oh yeah, I remember this.
Like this is still I like let's
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
We should be implementing a stale robot, like adding something that if we are not working, the issue is become stales, then after a few, I don't know, months, then we automatically clean it up, because in this way we are just not progressing with these things.
Yeah, I know. This is interesting. I didn't know this one. It's from Matthias.
Matisse.
Mathis, yeah. Mateus, actually, from his passport.
Okay, so when it tries to connect synchronize was thing is
Yeah, it's because we're trying to send alerts, probably. Yeah.
but can you go up? Like I didn't really get no tries to connect. So
The
why
synchronizer is not installed if you don't have the
you don't enable it? Yeah.
yeah, if you don't enable the submit, you
So
don't have the synchronizer.
it looks like we would need to, in this case, we would need to disable the exporter in node agent. So this looks like something we could manage at the Helm chart level, no?
Yeah.
When we open, maybe we should assign it to Amit.
No. Okay. Good point.
Yeah, and
That's a documentation issue.
Yeah.
I know Oshrat likes them.
Yeah, Oshrat loves them, so let's have Oshrat this fun. Also, by the way, we should clean up all the network neighbors object from everywhere. Like we should be like cleaning it from
What do you mean? This is no, you mean like every mention.
not just every mention documentation, and also like from our let's check it in our GitHub how many places we have it, but in the organization.
So storage, we still need it somehow.
Do we need it? Can we have like
yeah, just for
backward compatibility?
we could deprecate it, yes. Why do we have it here? Because this is like old stuff. Yeah, so in node agent we can remove. Yeah, same. We no longer need to.
So we should open an issue on this by cleaning this thing up.
Yep.
Open also some open for contribution.
Yes.
Do you want? I will open it.
Yeah. Okay. Open it.
Should I open it on?
That was I was thinking like on where.
I would open it on storage. I would open it on storage for now. I think it's still the best place to.
Mhm. Alors.
Well, and still I haven't implemented the storage. The client certificate is still not well. It's on
Yeah.
here.
This one is still open for you, actually.
Sorry, this I didn't catch that because I was right.
No, I mean it's already open for you. You don't need a new task. There is a task that I reopened, I think.
Yeah. No, I don't need it.
So this is interesting. CIS framework. On Windows. I think this is where he's running the thing. Yeah, I agree. Okay, that's a good one.
By the way, we don't have the same labels in each repo.
Yeah.
So what is it? Skills.
To get image. Internal network server error.
What's the issue?
Yeah, he cannot pull the image to create an SBOM.
Okay, creating SBOM.
And I think maybe it requires some authentication or something, because I mean, this has been like modified.
I think let's ask him at least, like, where is it still an issue?
I guess.
Yeah. Like, let's try to be in connect with him.
Yes.
Is this issue still persists?
Yeah. This is because he reused the same name of a deployment.
This is something we fixed, I guess.
Mm, no, because that's the thing. It's not cleaned immediately.
Mm.
It's cleaned after 6 hours.
Oh.
I think it's 6 hours. Let's see. Six. Like this. No. So clean up.
Do you need me to hang around or can I go pick up the kids?
Yeah, you can go.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thanks.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
I know, like it's like 24 hours.
Yeah.
It's set by this, but by default it's okay. Now the pull request, I think it's less relevant because it's only some from us. Still have a lot. How do I go back?
Yeah.
Uh,
Going to look at other things. So, whoa,
this is old.
this is too old. Like, but
In YAML examples.
Yeah. I don't know what was this. No, man. Don't even understand what. Yeah, we should
Should archive this one, no?
yeah, no, you should delete the the pull request as it says that he's used it for testing. Or this is the reason why he's so we've used this repository to test our automatic PR openings.
Ah, I see. So same.
So you can close, I guess.
Or
Let's go into see all the pull requests, and I guess we can just close down all of them.
yeah.
Yeah, these like except the one with the add. I don't know what it
No, it's
was.
the same. Resource and limits.
Okay, then just close down. Mark as closed.
What? Ah, it's because it's a newer. It's the GitHub action. We never updated.
Oh, that's not good. Whoa, let's have him. It looks like.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So this is affect. So this is okay. It's in
Yeah,
progress.
yeah.
This is Amit in progress. Okay. Ah, YAML example. This one we closed. Yeah. Operator. Ah, yeah. This one is. This is YAML example. eBPF profiler. Interesting.
Let me try to. It is okay. So this is okay. We should leave it for now. This is the open telemetry eBPF we're working on right now.
Okay, that's the thing with Alban.
Also Alban, and also the eBPF, the open telemetry team at Elasticsearch and so on. So it's
Okay.
I think it's work in progress. That's it like
Okay,
that.
perfect. So this one we closed. Nice. Dependabot, open this one for us.
What's the change? Yeah, it should be okay. It should be okay. I'm going to need to leave in 5 minutes.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, we are done, right? This is the last one. So, yeah, this one I opened. Yeah, we don't care about this one. Anyway, gateway
Yeah,
will disappear soon.
yeah,
Good.
hopefully.
Good. Yes, so I wrote. Okay, so I'm gonna review what he did here and then update. Great.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's all for today. Just for a note, for those who maybe we should also write a document that we'll should be doing conducting soon later by the end of the year some renewals in the maintainers.
Okay, I'm gonna put it.
So if anyone is open to submit stuff from either, we have two. If you look at our governance way, Kubescape governance is working. There are like two titles beyond regular contributors. One is maintainers, like every other project, and there's committers, where I would say those who can help us, like reviewing and merging some of the minor things and not big things. We also have privileges in the Kubescape organization. So if you are feeling you want to, you have been contributing Kubescape and you feel like you want to take your game to a higher level, please submit yourself through the main Kubescape maintainers mailing list. Uh, um, if you want to do it privately, for publicly, you can open an issue on the GitHub org. Submit yourself. That's it.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. So see you everyone.
See you in 2 weeks. Bye.